Good day, Southern California. Nick Carden, Vice President, General Manager of Puente Hills Toyota. We refer to our dealership as the House of Yes. Yes, we offer a huge selection of new and pre-owned certified cars. Yes, we offer a simple, straightforward approach towards buying a new or used car that you've never experienced before. And yes, we'll actually make it fun to buy a car. I'm standing in front of this month's lease special on our very best-selling Camry, 8th generation Camry. 34 years in the making, they finally nailed it, and Toyota is proud to present this vehicle riding on a brand new Toyota global architecture platform, totally redesigned. Every nut and bolt on the vehicle has been refined upwards to a level of quality that you've never ever experienced before in a Toyota. That being said, 2018 Camry SE, MSRP is only $26,319. This month's lease special, you ready for this? 36 months, only $235 a month plus tax, with only $2,500 due at signing. Or you can do a zero money down lease, keep your money in the bank, and your payment is still only $307 a month plus tax. Remarkable value. It even comes with 2 years prepaid maintenance from Toyota. Come on down, you'll find out after one visit why you will become a customer for life. Thanks for watching.